Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Zoho Project for grant management in 2025. Now, let's get started with the first step, setting up your Zoho Project account. Sign in to your account, and if you don't have one, create a new account. This is important as all your grant management operations will be carried out through this account. Once you're in, navigate to the Projects section. Now that we've done that, click on Create New Project. Here, you'll be able to input details about your grant, including its name, description, and tasks. The reason we do this is to keep all grant-related information centralized and organized, making it easier to manage. Next up, assign team members to the project. This helps us because it ensures that everyone involved in the grant management process has access to the necessary information. You can also set roles and permissions for each team member, ensuring that everyone knows their responsibilities. Now, let's move to the crucial step of setting up milestones. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Milestones help you track the progress of your grant project and ensure that key objectives are met on time. To set milestones, click on the Milestones tab and add details such as the milestone name, start date, end date, and status. The last step in this guide is to set up notifications. Go to the Settings tab and click on Notifications. Let me explain why this matters. Notifications ensure you're always up to date with grant project developments, from task completions to approaching deadlines. And that's it. You now have a basic understanding of using Zoho Project for grant management. Remember, efficient grant management is key to the success of your project, and tools like Zoho Project can help streamline the process. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.